What's up guys, Tech here. So today's video is going to be nostalgic and fun as we dive into setting anime live wallpapers on iPhone with iOS 18. If you remember, I did a similar video back in 2021 with iOS 15 when the original live wallpaper feature was still around that was introduced with iPhone 6s. But with iOS 16 customizable lock screen, we lost that feature and iOS 17 gave us that glitchy motion wallpaper which honestly didn't work 90% times, and converting videos to live was not an option. It was not supported entirely. But now found a way to bring back Anime Live wallpaper in iOS 18 and I'm excited to show you how it's done. Let's jump in. So if you remember, we were able to make any kind of live wallpaper for the anime. It was purely custom and based on whatever you want to show on the lock screen, that is. But that feature was entirely gone. But in iOS 17 we got the motion wallpaper. But there was two things. Motion wallpaper only worked for the live photos that you had clicked with your cameras with live on, and second, you couldn't convert a video to a live photo and set that up as a live or motion wallpaper, which would actually never work. But in this video we have found an application and it's called Anime. Well, it's not just Anime. You go to the App Store and search for Anime and wallpaper dash live. So this application actually have all the anime live wallpapers which is actually optimized for iOS 18. So as you can see, they have already done this by bringing the iOS 18 motion support. So this I think should also work for iOS 17 if you guys are on iOS 17. So let me know if this actually works. But in iOS 18 right now we have this application. So it's like having this Uchiha clan symbol as their icon. Not bad. So this is actually not free. It is actually free, yeah. Just let me tell you, this is free. You can get lots of wallpapers for free, but if you want all of them, you will have to get it for like 400 rupee. That should be nearly like $3 to $4 for the entire lifetime access. This is not a subscription. So for now I'll just tap cross here. So here are the new wallpapers that regularly updated. The UI is really nice and you can get most of the new wallpapers. Like you can see, this is the Kaiju number 8 and some other wallpapers and everything. So this is basically like, it's better to have something rather than having nothing. So this completely works 100%. So if you have wallpaper downloaded from them, so you can simply set it, download it, and then you set it up, and this is how it's going to look like with the motion, because this is not a live wallpaper, this is actually a motion wallpaper. So whenever you wake up your iPhone, a motion, like it's a 2 or 3 second video that's going to play on your lock screen. That's it. I think I'm facing some glitch on my screen. Yeah, it has to be glitch. Let me just restart this. All right, so this is how the Sukuna one looks like, and this is how one from the Demon Slayer looks like. So I have these wallpapers. These are all live photos or live wallpapers. I can actually share them on the Google Drive, but you know that you can't have this. Even if I do share this on the Google Drive, that photo will be like a normal JPEG or JPG photo. It won't be a live photo. So even if I do share it, it's quite meaningless. So it's better to get this app yourself, and this is called what I was showed you. So just go there and you will see that live wallpapers are here, and not here, this one, not this one. So you have to go to the tab down below and then select live. So if you see this crown symbol, that means you need to pay for the entire thing, but you can still see the preview how it's going to look like, but you can't download it. And like I said, they always add new wallpapers in it. So here's the free one which I already have downloaded. So just click on free one, and here's how it's gonna look like. So to download it, all you have to do is just click this down arrow. It's a download button. So you click that, and then you will have to actually have to view this entire ad to get the wallpaper downloaded, because if you cross this, you won't be able to get the wallpaper you're looking for that you are downloading. So it actually works once you have downloaded into your library. Go ahead and simply set it up as wallpaper. Go to the lock screen, tap and hold, tap plus and click live photos, and then you will select that wallpaper. So let me just do that as a demo here. So let me download one of which I don't have already, so I'll just get some other one. Alright, so I have decided to download this one, and this is again from the Demon Slayer. I don't know what Demon Slayer he is, I don't remember, I haven't seen in a while. So just click this download button and you will get the ad. You'll have to watch the ad and skip that after 30 seconds, so let's do that. Now that the ad is complete, you will be able to see that it says reward has granted. So all you need to do is just tap the cross, and this will say that this wallpaper is now added to your library. So now that I have the wallpaper in my photos, so as you can see it says that I have saved this image from this application, and this is a live photo. So if I go here and try to animate it by haptic, and you can see that it is animating. So this is indeed a live image, live photo. So you can basically go and set it up in the wallpaper now. So like I said, go to the lock screen, tap and hold, tap plus, select live photos, and hold on a second. So here it is, and you can see that it says that I can try this photo with motion because this is a live photo, and they know exactly what aspect ratio works with this kind of format for the live photo or the motion wallpaper with their new iOS 17 ones and iOS 18. So I better suggest that instead of trying or experimenting things, you should directly get live anime wallpapers from this application itself. By the way, it's not sponsored at all. I'm doing this because of my sheer will to get you this feature still with iOS 18. So you can see this, and now I'm gonna just tap the live icon, and there it is. It is in the motion now. So I will tap add. I'll set it as wallpaper pair, and there it is. Now if I just wake my screen up again, it's gonna go for the live. Alright, so after a restart, I think the clock is at the right position now. The clock bug has been fixed on the lock screen, so as you can see it's on the right position now. It was looking really weird, to be honest. I should have restarted it before, but alright. So there you have it. This is the anime live wallpaper, or like the anime motion live wallpaper with iOS 18, and there you have it. So I will link the app below the like button in the description. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. Until then, peace out.